Enhancing decision-making. How AI, ML, and DL revolutionize robots for superior performance. Robots are becoming an integral part of our lives, performing a wide range of tasks that were once unimaginable. But what if these robots had the ability to make better decisions? That's where artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning come into play. By leveraging AI, ML, and DL technologies, robots can analyze vast amounts of data, allowing them to make informed decisions based on patterns and trends. The result? Improved performance and better outcomes. Artificial intelligence enables robots to learn from previous experiences, adapting their decision-making process accordingly. It empowers them to make more precise and efficient choices, even in complex situations. Machine learning takes it a step further by teaching robots to recognize patterns and make predictions. This ability helps robots anticipate outcomes and make decisions that lead to optimal results. But it doesn't end there. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, allows robots to analyze and interpret more complex data. It unlocks their potential to solve intricate problems by uncovering hidden patterns and correlations. With the combined power of AI, ML, and DL, robots can make decisions that were once solely in the realm of human expertise. They can enhance efficiency, accuracy, and productivity across various industries. Imagine manufacturing processes that are more streamlined, healthcare systems that are more precise, and transportation networks that are safer than ever before. The possibilities are endless when it comes to leveraging AI, ML, and DL to revolutionize robots. Through data analysis and pattern recognition, we can unlock their full potential and usher in a new era of superior performance. Thank you for watching our video on how AI, ML, and DL enhance decision-making and revolutionize robots for superior performance. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on cutting-edge technologies.